So it's Saturday today. Normal people chilling at home. Here I am driving the crane parts. I left the truck stop this morning in Iowa. I don't know, about I would say 10 in the morning, 10:20 in the morning I left. So it's almost 4:20. And I only drove 200 miles, a little more than 200 miles. I'm 41 miles into the Indiana, and it's the farther I go, the worse it gets, man. And what blows my mind away, other people literally out of control. So I'm doing about 45 miles an hour right now. I have no traffic, but I got one truck catching up to me, and this is first snowstorm of the year for me, and people just nuts, man. No lights on, nothing. Visibility is very poor. Speed limit 60. I mean, it's slick. It's very slick, and it's heavy, wet snow coming down, and people passing me doing 65, 70, like literally no fear. So we're gonna take it easy, continue going. We're going to Fort Wayne, Indiana, and some reason this year I'm not enjoying driving in the snow like I used to do before. Now I'm considering it sucks, man. I wish this would be dry. When one thing saves me today, I'm really heavy. I got like 66,000, 65,000 pounds on a deck, so I was grossing out close to like 100,000 pounds. And the truck feels actually pretty solid on the road for being that slick. If I would be very light, if I would have 25,000 pounds on a deck, I wouldn't even consider driving today. But I want to get unloaded tomorrow morning, and I got to reload on Monday and heading back home. But it's Saturday, January 12, 2019.